students, so tomorrow is your Comet K 2025 examination, and here are some mistakes that you must avoid in the exam so that you don't do silly mistakes and you can boost your scores. Okay, so let's discuss. I'll be talking about 7 mistakes that you must avoid, then bonus tips and the summary of the video. Okay, so please watch this video properly so that you don't do these mistakes. The first one is mismanaging of time. Time is very important. You have just 180 minutes for 180 questions. There's no extra time will be provided, so be very careful with your time. Each and every second counts here. Okay, so do not spend too much time on a single question, and there should be, if you don't have any subject wise plan, that will mess the exam. So have a subject wise plan. Chemistry 40 minutes, then you have physics 60 minutes, math 70 minutes, and revision 10 minutes. This is what I have distributed. You can do according to your strength and weakness, but please start with chemistry because it is more scoring and easy. Next, if I move to the second mistake, that is reading the questions too quickly. There can be a misreading of the questions which may lead to wrong answers. You should be very careful when you have words like this: not, least, incorrect, correct. What exactly is asking in the question? Please see that. Jumping to answer without full understanding, don't do. Please read the question at least twice. So read every question carefully, ideally twice. Okay, this is the tip that you should be following. Next, we have skipping easy questions early. So many students think that let's first do the difficult question. I have more time, I'll do difficult question. Towards the end, I will do simple questions. That is a major mistake. Please don't do that. If you do this, what will happen in case you have solved all the difficult questions, and difficult questions has a more chances of getting wrong, right? And you will leave you may not get time to do the easy questions. So please don't do this mistake and start solving. So this is your mistake, right? Trying to solve hard questions first and missing out on the easy questions. So that is why what you should do a first round of easy questions. Whatever your questions you know, just do them. While reading the questions, there will be certain questions which you find you can do it, but it will take a lot of time. So just put them questions for review. And those questions which are very, very difficult, you have no idea at all, just leave those questions. So first, in the first round, do the easy questions, then come back to the tougher ones. Okay. Fourth mistake is careless clicking in CBT. It is a CBT mode examination, so clicking the wrong answers or not saving the answers properly. So first of all, double check your selection and always click it. Click save and next. Okay, you have to click save and next. Then only the answer is you will have question here. Okay, and in this side portal, all the question numbers will be given. You are attempting one question. Here a button will be there, save and next. If you just select the option and go to the next question, then it will not be saved. You have to select the question and click on save and next. Okay. Next, moving to not attempting enough questions. So playing too safe despite no negative marking, leaving too many blanks. Don't do this mistake. I want all of you to attempt all the 180 questions because there is no negative marking. So just attempt all the questions. Okay, so use elimination and educated guess to attempt more questions. Okay, the questions in which you have no idea, take some guesses. Just think little rationally, logically. It is not that you are completely unaware of the question, right? You have studied the chapter somewhere, so think and make a smart guess, but don't leave any question. Next, getting stuck mentally. So if you find too many questions that are tough continuously, okay, you may panic. So don't panic if 2 questions are there, and you don't lose confidence. Okay, so what you have to do, stay calm, skip tough ones and return later. Stay calm and positive, and always remember, if there is one difficult question, that question will be difficult for every student, right? So you are not the one alone. So please don't panic here. Next, ignoring the final 15 minutes. So rushing through unanswered questions, not revising the marked ones. These mistakes please don't do. This last 10 to 15 minutes that is given, please review all the questions. You have attempted all the questions or not. You have saved all the questions or not. Please check properly. Okay, now moving to some bonus tips. Don't study anything new today. Okay, just don't read any new concept. Reach the exam center early, at least 1.5 hours before the exam starts. Carry all the documents. Once again, I want to make the list of documents very clear here. First, you have to carry your admit card. Okay, next, ID proof, then 2 passport size photo. Then you can carry pencil. Okay, pen is not allowed, and transparent water bottle. Okay, so I'm just writing like this. Next, so Stay hydrated and calm. Please take proper healthy breakfast and go for the exam or lunch based on what schedule you have. Next, mental preparation is an important as subject knowledge. Okay, so if you have full subject knowledge but you panic there, you are becoming nervous, you are anxious, then there's no point. Whatever you know, you will forget. So please be cool, calm. Everything will be on track. Don't worry at all. Don't be nervous. You will be able to do the exam. All the best. Okay, so please don't get panic. So let's summarize what all things we have to do. We have to manage the time effectively. 40 minutes chemistry, 60 minutes physics, 70 minutes maths, 10 minutes revision. Then read all the questions carefully. Incorrect, correct, okay, at least, or these wrong statements, right statements. So these all words are very, very careful. Then stay calm under pressure. Don't get panic if you find too many difficult questions. Attend maximum questions, and I will recommend attempt all the 180 questions. Then be careful with the CBT interface. If you are not thorough, you can just open the Comet K mock test. Okay, then just Comet K official website. Just Control and F you do and search mock test. You will find mock test there. Just open their mock test and find the interface of the mock test. Okay, so that will be much more easier for you to adjust with the exam pattern. Okay, so that's all in this video, students, and thank you for watching, and please avoid these mistakes, and all the best, and I know all of you will rock the tomorrow's exam, right? So if you are ready for the exam, put in the comment section #ready for Comet K 2025. Okay, all the best.